Hi, Miss Kirtana.
Hi.
Tell us something about Kinder Dance.
Kinder Dance is a US-based program, and it's a 33-year-old company based out of Florida in US. The dances, the movement is the basis for Kinder Dance. And our programs are being launched in India in the year 2009, and we've been a very successful company in the child service industry. Kinder Dance is a motor skill developmental designed curriculum program where we help the children towards a total development. What we mean by total development is we take their social, emotional, cognitive, their motor development, everything into picture, and a complete structured class is given to them. The basics are on which the program has been developed is dance and movement, like basics of ballet, basics of tap, acrobatics, gymnastics, and creative dances, imagery dances. So a whole lot of things put together, like Kinder Dance being a catalyst to grow the child in a very refined manner. The programs of Kinder Dance also help the child to steer themselves into a sports pursuit, an art pursuit, or an academic pursuit, so in different ways. So Kinder Dance is like a baseline for children to kind of grow in a very healthy way, because we also focus a lot on obesity in children, and our programs have been very successfully launched in a lot of the cities within Bangalore. A lot of the cities within India, and within Bangalore we have about 40 schools who have taken it as part of the curriculum, and then we also have an after school activities.
Okay. What makes it so unique from the others?
Kinder Dance programs are not something like a freelance dancing, something that children just learn and kind of do it for fun and then they leave. It leaves an impression within the child. We blend a lot of educational concepts within the dances and the movement. So a 2-year-old who come to Kinder Tots program, which is the 2 to 3-year-old program, we teach not only the music, the dance, the drama and the songs, but they learn their numbers, shapes, colors, animals, many different aspects which are academically blended. Apart from that, the children learn in a very progressive manner. We do not push the children to learn something, but we kind of are here to give them a very positive feeling about themselves, increasing their self-confidence as well as their esteem level. They gather a lot of social skills and real life skills within our class. They have language development within the program, and then they also graduate to the next level of Kinder Dance. So it is not just a 3-month workshop or just a 9-month program, but it's a year-round program, and children are ready to graduate from 2 years to all the way till 12 years. So we have programs like Kinder Tots for the 2 to 3 years, Kinder Dance for the 3 to 5. We have a Kinder Gym, which is again for the 3 to 5 years, Kinder Motion for 3 to 5, 6 to 9, and 9 to 12, and then we have a Kinder Combo, which is a 6 to 9-year-old program.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ms. Kirtana.
You're welcome. Thank you.